the Idu people, slavery played an integral part in them. Okay? So if we are talking about our DNA, we can boldly say that we've adulterated our DNA by virtue of slavery. For example, when I was given the teaching that the word Ndewo is not Igbo, so many people thought I was crazy. How can you say that Ndewo is not Igbo? And I said, because you came out and you are seeing Ndewo in Igbo textbooks, does not mean that Ndewo is Igbo. It is when, you know, Sierra Leone, when the slaves from America were returned to Sierra Leone and they were given to a free town. Free town means a town where people are no longer called slaves. They met a tribe in Sierra Leone, which is called the Mende tribe. The Mende people of Sierra Leone had a supreme deity called Ngewo. Okay? It is the corruption of Ngewo that they are calling Ndewo. Ndewo Aburibo. Ndewo Aburibo. Ndewo in Aburibo. Ndewo Abrodalo. See, if our job for Blomenan, something has been said decades, it now look as if to say Israel. Ndewo Aburibo. Ndewo is from the Mende tribe. So the thing is, in due time, in due time, when many things I canekucha. Okay. Why I am saying about this chi, let me conclude the chi of a thing. Fondi Jago be dibia. If I na wife abumpiene, abi, mo bumpiato. Ilozo, why ni jebe dibia? Owelumpi. Nyaga ki metu aka oseke pa afa. Ijidi aka eto afa mo bo onya dikachu mu ilozo. Acho me mama ndo mode. Kedi fo jime. He's trying to transfer your energy. The chi in you is what he's interested to capture. Let me transfer your energy, the essence of your existence, so that if I bring it to the alpha, the algorithm will begin to tell me, because there is already your DNA here. It's pseudo DNA. You may like no NMP. Ijidi aka si dibia. Ava mo bo maazi dibia. Acho me mama ndo mode. You say okay. O wele say emegini. Metu na ugiri abi. Ojoba say ania. Ndi odekwa. What he did is he tapped your chi to draw your chi closer to the alpha.
That's why when you're going to all these alpha, you're making yourself vulnerable somehow.
Yeah. So when you go USA, you see about a alpha gebo Jude John Paul. There is nothing to trace that Nebo Jude, because Mbabolo Nebo Mbawanya ase Nebo onya dika mu ilozo. Ndi no bia ndi no na atoloba bundi ichie. Asi na afa afam. Your grandfather, your great grandfather will say, this is my name. And the placenta onya na ekwifa na enyi ya no bim. Which means no one defa. Oto ya agwa dibia bi fa na emegisi. Makano ndi ichie na ekwifa na eku na afa. And that is what we call the Akashic record. I hope you've heard of Akashic record. Many people are saying Akashic record, Akashic record. They don't know what is Akashic record. So what is the Akash? You hear the Indian people answering the name Akash, Akash. Where does the name Akash come from? Do you know what is Akash? Akash is what the Igbos call Akose. I repeat, Akash is from the word Akose. What is Akose in our cosmology? EOG. What is EOG in metaphysics? Black hole.
That is darkness, nothingness.
EOG, darkness. The absoluteness of nothingness.
And that is actually what Akash is, the space.
Okay, so when you hear the word Akose, that is the most ancient name. Before we begin to use the word Chukwu, that is the most ancient name given to the Almighty in Igbo cosmology. Okay? Akolise is from the word Akolise, we got Akose. Akolise. Okay? Akolise. The revelation, not even hand. This arcana is not like the hand. The revelation of his totality. Akolise. The significance of his existence. Now the problem is when we say Akose, or the Miller job, now BOG, the Indians call it Akash. It is in the Akash, the space that, provided there is sunlight every day, there must be recorded event that happened today, saved in the sun, in the space. So how do we transpond from the space? Through an algorithm rooted in empirical analysis, hidden in esoteric understanding. Alpha, the 16 beads that knows no error. Agali, Obi, Abala, Ete. The 16 language spoken by men when men were gods. The most ancient language spoken by creation. When we walked the earth in the days of Ogachi and Ogaka. When we were spotless. When we are energies and vibrations. When we came as aliens from the other astral plane to this place. Akose. When they take your hand, he's drawing your energy. So that your energy will touch the energy. So that the Ugiri or Abudaga will begin to resonate that, which is synonymous to your energy. Are you getting my point? Now, chi is what the person is interested to tap your chi, to tap your energy, to tap your vibration. When they tap your vibration, they make to say according to Proverbs 16, verse 33, the Bible. It's recorded in the Bible. Proverbs 16:33. So now, your chi is not your reincarnator. Your chi is that energy within you. But there is a chuku, the summation of every energy is on earth. Okay? I will not talk about UFO today. Reason best known to me. Once. Do you know why you name? Okay? There is something I told you now, and there are some things I will say on camera. Then my days will be numbered. So the UFO, I will make the teaching. Let me talk. Yes. Look at the etymology of that word, lot. Adan Anyelechi. Okay? When Bible say cast lot, what is lot? Lot to Bumpulugili, Mpulafa, and Awau. There are different types of alpha now. Bible say cast lot, what is that lot? Why when the Bible say Jehovah, only kusite na urim na tumim. Mpulafa ulawu, urim and tumim. Okay? Yoruba na Odumeji. Odumeji. The Oduifa couples comes with urim and tumim, 2 factorials. That when you permutate and combine it gives you interesting understanding of who the person is. But that will be a teaching. I've done a teaching on Alpha, so I shouldn't be repeating it today. So the chi is not your incarnator. Your chi is the energy within you. And that chi is an indestructible energy. When you are done, the chi lifts you and transcends to the original owner. Now, can somebody ask another question? No, this time around you type your question. There is a reason. I think that is one of the reasons they took me down. Something is wrong today, so I'm using my sense. So can you ask another question? You can type your question. I'm very, very audible. If you are not hearing me, it's your phone. I'm very, very audible. Do you have another question? Maazi Dibia, can one feed his or her chi? No, you cannot feed your chi. But you can. I made a teaching on this already. Let me explain. The word feed your chi is a new language. I repeat. When you say you are feeding your chi, is a new language. These people saying they can't hear me, you are actually discouraging me. You cannot say you are feeding your chi. Listen. Imanaye jakoka. Iya jijaoka, o kani Nigel. O kani Nigel. Melaye. Ayamazi. The concept of truth. You cannot feed your chi. Your chi is your energy. Or your chi melagibly favor. But you can do where your ONYE UWA. That word ONYE UWA gini. Iye nye ONYE UWA gini manye muchi gini. I repeat. Iye nye ONYE UWA gini manye muchi gini. Okay? The only way you can recharge your chi is by doing that which is in consonance with your chi. I made a teaching about Onsochi. I told you, there are some things you will do. You will defile your chi. And your chi will leave you. There are some things you will do. You will make peace with your chingila chi yadigoma. Onsochi. The kinds of defilement you can bring to yourself, and you defile your spirit, your energy. Your soul begins to be troubled. So what do? You don't feed your chi, even if you feed ONYE UWA. Some people's chi forbids alcohol, womanizing, adultery. I don't know which one your chi forbids. Gossip. Then lasciviousness. Covetousness. There are least things you may think is nothing, but your chi forbids it. So mama, if onye na-akwa iko, ị na-ene onye na-akwa iko, na onye wakacha eme njọ, not knowing that ikwa iko abụrụ nsọ chi. But you, na-ewuru mmadụ anya ọkụ, not knowing that ikwa iko bụ your own nsọ chi. I've asked you people to go and research and tell me what is ifite. I will not answer it. I gave it as an assignment. Nobody indicated interest. Timothy Chukwuebuka, that is what I've been differentiating. Check the previous video. So today I've succeeded in telling you the difference between the chi.
I'm from Ifite. My mom is from Ifite.
What is ifite?
Ifite.
It's an assignment. I gave it on social media now.
I don't know, but I think.
You don't think. You should know. So give me ifite. So I've told you the difference between your chi and ONYE UWA now. Remember the teaching I made about Onsochi? You should revisit that teaching. That teaching is everything. Okay? Like what I can do without bottled water. Mangoro. Check the teaching I made on libation. I've made a teaching on libation. Go down to my page. Check for the teachings I made on libation. I will not teach about Ufo today. Reason best known to me. Maybe tomorrow. Yes, somebody asks, what is the difference between Ogo and Dense? Ogo and Dense. I love that. 801. 801. Ogo and Dense. Ogo and Dense. If it is not an energy, Ogo and Dense. Ogo is a summation of herbs or elements or materials gathered together to create a positive effect. But Nsi is a summation of herbs or elements or material gathered together to create a negative effect. Simple and short. When Ogo is used rightly, when Afifia is used lightly to save, it becomes Ogo. When it is used wrongly, it becomes Nsi. So which means then we'll lazy Ogo again.